it looks like Alibaba is now trading below $90. The sell-off is accelerating. I did a video yesterday and it went from a high of $100 all the way to 92, and I said it's going to hit 90, and here we are, 89.54. And yet people are still buying the dip. There is so much uncertainty right now, so much fear. Look at Didi. Didi is getting delisted from the New York Stock Exchange, but they can't even list on the Hong Kong Exchange. But that's different for Alibaba. But regardless, even though Baba is traded on the Hong Kong Exchange, there's still a lot of fear, and the stock can still continue to go down. I've been talking about Alibaba because I have Alibaba, and it's so saddening to see Alibaba below $90. This is just crazy, and yet there's still people out there saying to buy the dip, keep buying when it was 150, 140, 130, 120, 110, and here we are at $90. We don't know how much further this can drop, but all I know is that Chinese stocks can drop a lot. Even though the fundamentals are there, that is not even the question, and it hasn't even been the question for over a year now. We all know that Baba is supposedly undervalued, and that Charlie Munger has been buying Alibaba, even doubling down. But maybe this was one of his bad trades. We don't know, but if you are a long-term investor, and all we can do is just hold on to the shares, and hopefully, all of this mess will just go away. Like Baidu just hit a low, a 52-week low. No one has made money on Alibaba unless they got out back last year. All these Chinese stocks are just getting destroyed, and it's just going to keep getting destroyed. Let's take a look at a 5-year weekly chart. It did hit a high of 319 back in October, but do you think long-term investors, long-term shareholders are going to sell at this price? No. But unfortunately, now they're definitely not going to sell at this price. This is below IPO price, and it's just very sad. Look at this. It's just continuing to go down. We have Alibaba. We have NIO. That's okay, down below $17. This is Tencent Music. Yes, many stocks. Baidu. Oh, wow, another 7%. These sell-offs are just accelerating, guys. I would be very cautious if you're just buying the falling knife.